Namaste, this is Samta Auntie. In this video, we are going to review color words in Hindi that change. This video is for Hindi beginners age 4, 5, and 6. In our classes, you've learned color words in Hindi. You've also learned that there are two ways to say some of them. In this video, we're going to review those. What's yellow in Hindi? Pila. What's the other way to say it? Pili. What's green in Hindi? Hara. What's the other way to say it? Hari. What's blue in Hindi? Neela. And the other way to say it is? Neeli. What's black in Hindi? Kala. And what's the other way to say it? Kali. What's brown in Hindi? Bhura. And what's the other way to say it? Bhuri. What's golden? Sunera. And what's the other way to say it? Suneri. So what's the difference with these color words? Remember, use pila, hara, neela, kala, and bhura for boy bucket words. Use pili, hari, neeli, kali, and bhuri for girl bucket words. The colors that do not change are, for example, red. Red is lal. It's never going to be lala or lali. Orange is narangi. It's never going to be naranga. Purple is bangani, and it's never going to be bangana. Pink is gulabi. It's never going to be gulaba. Gray is saleti. It's never going to be saleta. White is safed. It's never going to be safeda or safedi. Turquoise is firozi. It's not firoza. Silver is chandi. It does not change to chanda. The only color words that change are the ones where the root word ends with a sound. Let me say that again. The only color words that change are the ones where the root word ends with a sound. Notice I didn't say ends with the letter A. I said ends with a sound, such as pila, hara, neela, kala, and bhura, and sunera. And for these color words, lal, narangi, bangani, gulabi, saleti, safed, firozi, and chandi, it doesn't matter whether the sentence refers to a boy bucket word or a girl bucket word, because these color words never change. Now you know how to change color words and which ones to change and which ones not to. Dhanyavad for joining me. I'll see you in class.